This is a blizzard, y'all. Look at this mess, man. Good God, look how deep it is. This shit is deep, y'all. Good Lord. It's a blessing to see it, though. We should have been like this at Christmas, man. It would have been nice. Look at that. Damn cars are stuck in this shit. Good God. Everybody, look how deep this shit is. I ain't even got no socks and tennis shoes on. This is mad crazy, y'all. This is damn nuts. Wow. Man. This is a wonderland. For sure, y'all. For sure. Hey. Go out here and see what this. Look at this shit, man. This shit'll last for days, man. I am the D. I tell you what, man. This is some crap right here, yo. This is ice right there, man.